Hello everyone, this is Minh. I'm the founder of Classic.io. We specialize in hospitality, operation and accommodation industry. When I started the company, I was struggling with the money and the fund to build our team. And then one day when I was on Facebook, I clicked on a video of Hi and it was so impressive. It was something I looking for a long time, and I decided to take the course immediately. The course named How to Raise Money for Your Company. With highest knowledge and support, I learned a lot of things about investor and their expectations. And now I'm very confident to raise money for our team. If you are a student or you are a business owner or whoever, I strongly recommend you to take the course. It's very valuable, and I hope we can build a community together and help each other. And lastly, I want to say thank you, Hi, for your kindness, your support, and I wish you all the best. Take care and see you around.